Erica finally revealed she had sex with Kiddwaya in the HOH lounge as she begs Neo to keep secret.
They think if they show videos of what things happen in that head of house now. Even me, I don't want to watch.
What? Blowjob?
I'm so embarrassed.
Blowjob?
I did every single thing. Every single thing, man.
I'll leave you not tell this person this out. Let me just feel special.
Yeah.
She said if they show all she did in the HOH lounge, it will be very embarrassing. Erica, the incumbent head of house, HOH, in the Bbnaija 2020 lockdown house, has made a strong statement about some of her activities on the show, especially the HOH lounge. The HOH is given the exclusive right to have privacy and enjoy some other special treatment by living in the lounge provided for him or her for a whole week. Erica has been HOH twice and has also had the opportunity to be a guest there for another week. That means when she finishes her second tenure as the HOH, she would have spent 3 weeks in the exclusive lounge. On Wednesday night, she was talking with Neo in the kitchen and she told him that if all the things she did in the HOH house are shown to the rest of the housemates, she would be very embarrassed. According to her, if any of her housemates get to watch all of her activities in the lounge, they will say a lot of unpleasant things about her. Neo was listening attentively, asked if the things she was referring to include sexual activities, and she replied by laughing. But to be in a safe place, Neo asked her not to give him the details. She, however, pleaded with Neo not to tell the rest of the housemates about what she just told him. Neo, on the other hand, promised to keep it a secret, telling her to hold him responsible if she hears the information elsewhere. Neo told her that she should know that if she hears it from another housemate, he is responsible for it. Erica, however, took consolation in the fact that the housemates will still have access to watch the clips when they get out of the Bbnaija house anyway. So guys, for those who doubted that Erica and Kiddwaya had sex in the HOH lounge, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. Yeah, they did it, and she's happy she did it. So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.